The Peacock Garden. He who must be obeyed sits on his cedar throne, and with nonchalance surveys his happy world. A place where shades and shadows compete with shafts of green and brown, dotted with temporary flashes of the rainbow's hues. He knows too of a hidden world, ancient beyond our ken, crafted from strands of time, interwoven from the inanimate, whose reasons, memories and stories he must define for our illumination. What are the essence of his garden? Tangible, things that exist, rocks that we can touch, living things that also we can touch, but eloquently mark the passage of time. The elusive and intangible, heat, flowing water, moving air, all is consilience, integrated meaning, happy atoms. The 5 shapes of Plato's earth, air, water, fire, all contained in a universe. The Peacock Garden sparks plants and their flowers, each living its genetic pathway, lives that are both short and long. The ginkgo tree may live to be 1,000 years, the Austrian pine a full 500. But each individual will eventually pass, to be replaced by offspring that will be infinitesimally different. For all that he struts and sparkles in the present, the peacock knows the limit of his pride. He reverences the rocks that solidly anchor the beds where flowers compete on a whim. Some of these rocks he has labelled. He calls them his rock stars.